Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, it is announced officially today, July 2nd, that Microsoft laying off 9,000 employees. This is about 4% of the workforce. We knew that that was coming for July, but it's official now. And what is also interesting is that a lot of it seems to be in the Xbox and gaming departments, including some third-party companies that are working on Microsoft or Xbox branded games, are also going to have some layoffs coming. So this is definitely a blow to the gaming side. Is it because of games sales that might be not as good as they hoped? I know that there are some groups within Microsoft that were working on some games that have completely been dismantled now, and the games will never come out. Microsoft told a lot of developers that they should apply for jobs at other parts of the company. So the developers will actually have to find themselves something new. But this is added to the 6,000 that were laid off not that long ago. And it's sad to see that this is happening, especially with the fact that Microsoft's overall business is actually going very well. And a lot of people were probably a little mad, saying, well, why does Microsoft continue laying off people when overall revenues are up, everything's going well? Microsoft, of course, just saying that, well, they have to do it and so on. And, they got to clean up the company a little bit. But that's, there's a host of bad news in the tech world right now with Microsoft, Intel also laying off people, and many other companies right now looking at laying off thousands of employees in the tech world, which is not a good sign of what's happening right now in the economy. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.